this old dirt road. Bet I'm gonna ride right into salvation with this Keystone can. 'Cause I've been bucking up Colby Creek. I'm running fast in the heat of the Jeep, and I have my head out the window. I'm howling like them hound doggies ride. But I can't get you off my mind, so I'm drinking all the